Hey, Laurel here. So I've got in mini twists. Really, I call them not so mini twists. Obviously, they are not very thin. But I think it took me maybe 2 hours or so to put them in, so not too bad. Um, just thought I'd give protective styling a shot and see. But anyway, I'm going to continue with the deep conditioning series. Now, last month in April, I tried out Miss KW7's Suave Deep Conditioning Mixture. And the results were actually pretty good. My hair did end up feeling very soft, very clean, and oh, the smell was great. It lasted for a long time, so that was just perfect for me. My hair was easy to style afterwards, so it did work out. The mix was good, but I really want to try to do something more natural. So I thought I'd give a more typical homemade mixture a shot. This one is from Beauty by Lee. I call it a typical mix because I see a lot of the YouTubers out there are using some of these ingredients that are in hers. Now, of course, go to Beauty by Lee's channel, check out her videos that she has there. I will be following most of things on her ingredients list. I will show you, of course, everything that I use, how I use it, how I do the mix. And actually, just to let you know, I really enjoy watching other people do their mixes, how they actually do it. So maybe if you're the same and you like it too, you'll appreciate this. So keep watching for that. But first, I want to take a little break and tell you guys a story. So the first time I tried out this mix, it was awful. It was a fail. Her mix requires avocado and bananas and a slew of other things. But I'm kind of still new to doing deep conditioners, didn't really know how to do the mix, but I went ahead and chopped up the ingredients and used a hand mixer to combine them. No way, that completely failed. It was super chunky, the mix was really chunky. And I looked at it, compared to Beauty by Lee's, hers was really creamy, and I kind of just didn't think about it. I was in a hurry. I put the mix on my hair, and it was still chunky. So, of course, you guys, if you've had experience with that, you know what happened. I went and tried to wash it out in the shower. Nope, still bananas left in my hair. Seriously, it was just chunks of banana left on my hair. So I had to comb through it painstakingly, taking out all the little chunks of banana. It was such a waste of time. But I still tried to be positive about it and think, okay, well, my hair is going to be 100% detangled now because of this. So I tried to keep a positive attitude. Really, the mix was still awesome. The moisture level, I cannot believe it. It was awesome for my hair. My hair did feel really smooth. The banana smell I'm not that wild about. It's just not my favorite. But the mix left my hair very, very soft. So I just want to give you guys a warning. You must use a blender, though, to make this mix. I just felt like I wasted so much time making my original video, showing how I did the mix with the hand mixer and everything, and then it just failed. So anyway, I just want to make sure you guys know, if you're new to this stuff like I am, please learn from my mistakes. If you're thinking, oh, I'll just use a hand mixer, it'll be easy. No, you must use a blender to get it really smooth, really creamy, to get rid of all those little chunks and bits of the avocado and banana. So again, learn from my mistakes. But anyway, so keep watching and I will show you how I do the mix, the ingredients, and all of that. Hi. So currently it is Mother's Day weekend, and that means time off for me. My husband's with the kids. They're doing whatever their thing is right now, but I do have some time for myself, so I'm just going to take it easy, relax. I did decide to pamper my hair a little bit. So these are mini twists, of course. I'm going to be taking those out, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to do the deep conditioning. So of course it requires time, but I'm going to just take it easy today. Okay, so the twists, I have had them in for about a week now, 5 days. Honestly, I am new to protective styling and I have not yet really gone the distance with it and done it for a long time. I just started off with short amounts of time and then I'll build up to, maybe 2 weeks or so keeping them in. But right now this works for me. So it's been about a week. I'm going to take out my twists and perfect time to do a deep condition, really. So once I take them out, then I'm going to do the onion rinse. I've talked about that previously. And then after the onion rinse, the aloe vera shampoo is what I'm going to do. Of course, I talked about that also. And after the shampooing, my hair will be wet. So, because I've washed it out with the shampoo, I want to leave it wet and then do the deep conditioning. I plan to just smooth it onto my hair, massage it in just a little bit. I'm not sure I'll do it on the scalp, but definitely on the length of the hair. I want to smooth it on there. Then I will put on a plastic cap and leave it for maybe half an hour or so. Maybe a little bit more, I don't know, we'll just see. So after that, I'll be done with the washing and we'll see what the results are. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this again. This time my mix is very smooth and creamy, so it should be great. Okay, so I am done with all of my washing. Now I'm ready for my deep conditioner. Smooth and creamy, very important. Okay, so let's go. My hair is still wet.